Assalamu alaikum viewers, I am Wajid Ali Shah from ceelifeshop.com and you are watching our YouTube channel Sea Life Media. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel yet, kindly subscribe it, like it, share it and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications of our video. We are very thankful and obviously thankful for your support regarding our YouTube channel. So today we're gonna present you the Swiss made Victorinox watch. So let's jump up to the video. So viewers, here we got today's preview regarding the Victorinox Swiss Army. So before unboxing this watch, we give you a small history of the Victorinox, which may be useful for your knowledge. Victorinox was established by Master Cutler in 1884 and they started as a cutlery supply company to the Swiss Army. But later on in 1909 they step into the watch industry, and their aim was that Victorinox Swiss Army timepieces are designed to optimize their usefulness, functionality range from easy to read dial design to sophisticated professional function. Every design detail in a purpose-based function are never add-ons. The goal is to create watches that are timeless, and they got innovation. Victorinox Swiss Army constantly enhances its timepieces lines with the new design elements and innovative functions, while seeking creative ways to upgrading existing components to enhance their capabilities. Victorinox Swiss Army timepieces are designed and manufactured with the same attention to quality as to the brand's legendary pocket tools. They also meet the highest standard of the Swiss watch-making industry, the quality control and testing that every timepiece undergoes. Material movement, assembly, finishing allow Victorinox Swiss Army to offer a 3-year limited warranty. It got iconic designs. The original Swiss Army knife is one of the world's most functional pieces of design. Victorinox Swiss Army timepieces share this icon split and heritage. They are multifunctional precision instruments engineered to the last, yet also timeless and contemporary in design. So let's unbox this watch. It's a brand new watch and we got a beautiful watch here. It's a Victorinox model number 249090. Its year of model is 2011 and they got a mineral glass. Dial is in black color. They got the black and stainless steel bezel on the top. The date is typically on the 3 position. It's in an analog style with numeric digits. It got leather and nylon strap, a beautiful strap at the good quality. I'll show you to the back. Here is the back. So case diameter is 39 millimeter, right? And its case thickness is 9.2 millimeter. The bandwidth is 19 mm. Obviously dial color is black and the weight is 16 ounce. It got a Swiss quartz machine, in-house built machine of the Victorinox. Let me rest it up and show you how it looks. It looks very fine. Victorinox, they are famous for their easy to read dials. The dial is very visible. the time is very visible, and you can see the quality, and it is also water resistant. It is 330 feet water resist watch. So viewers, if you want to purchase this watch, you can order on our website ceelifeshop.com, or you can order us directly on our WhatsApp number. I'm very hopeful that you enjoy our today's video. Kindly share your suggestion, comments, and especially the feedback of the video through our WhatsApp number. And you know that ceelifeshop.com is a platform where you can get all type of new and used pre-owned, branded and authentic watches. We offer the facilitation of restoration and watch making to our customer. If you want to avail any of our services, kindly contact us directly through our website. Until next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.